Pump it up, pump it up.
Get it. They can only hit.
Outside. Get it from your mama. Oh, that. Let's go, Bloodline! Let's go, Bloodline! Use it, use it! Take advantage of it! Good serve! Middle! Got this, Cam. It's pretty curvy though. And the ball was pretty big. Serve! Outside! Free, free, free! Oh!
Good try.
Money, take that as an embarrassment and get better. That's it. Good hit, good hit. Reset, reset, it's coming back. Reset, it's coming over. Ball in court. Cover, cover. Let's go, Bloodline. go, Bloodline.
Bad set.
Yeah, Jordan's best.
Right there.
Take advantage of it. Keep the ball. Good serve.
Good serve.
Coming over.
Right there. Let's go. Good try, good try.
Consider the weight pushing. Come on, Jeff.
Good help.
Coming over. Who wants the ball? Call it.
Good try. Next one, next one.
Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Play ball, play ball. You guys got it, Bloodline.
There.
Take advantage, take advantage. Keep the ball. Keep it on your side. Good serve. Good pick up, good pick up, good pick up.
佢本身就對上嘅個細咁啊。
Damn, where'd they go?
Take it back, take it back.
Sorry. I think it left. Blue, I think it left. Blue, I think it left. I think it left.
Side out, side out.
That's up. There. Good try, good try.
Good try, good try, Nate. Let's go, Bloodline, let's go! Play smart, play smart!
Help it.
Oh,
Good try.
play smart! You guys are playing! You guys are losing to yourselves! Get up, get up!
Good try.
Okay, Carl, let's go!
Oh, shit, yeah. Come on.
Don't let them do that, guys! They're playing with y'all! Spring has it, Spring has it. Play smart, play smart! Why didn't Jeff figure that out?
I don't know. You keep telling us to play the shorts, but you didn't.
He was right there. Game point? Let's make some points, make some points. Serve this ball.